At this point in the chart, would you buy, sell, or wait? Take 5 seconds to think. You can pause the video and take a closer look at the chart. To better understand, let's draw a trend line. We can see that after several touches, the trend line has been broken and there has been a price retracement to the trend line. Now let's draw the support and resistance lines. The price has reacted to these support and resistance lines multiple times. We wait for one of the support or resistance lines to break. Here, the price was unable to stabilize above the resistance line. After crossing the support line, we see that that line has acted as resistance and the price has pulled back to it. We open a short trade. We set the risk-to-reward ratio to 2. The stop is below the last price low. Congratulations, you can see that you were able to make a profit from the market using this method. Trade with me.